Hey guys, Carol here from Only Trees, and today I'm going to get started on a blue spruce. So starting out with 20 gauge copper wire, and I've got 200 strands at 24 inches long. All right, let's do this. My hair is really flat. The humidity is like crazy here. Now there's no wrong way to do wire trees. Every artist has a different way of doing it. I am just giving you one example of how I create wire trees. So if you're interested, stick around because I'm going to show you how I do it. Okay, so I'm going to start recording, as you can tell, and we'll see how far we get. So I've got my 24-inch wire, 200 strands, 20 gauge copper wire for a blue spruce. All right, so this is how I get started. I rubber band each end and I start pulling wire out like this. Almost looks like a swim knee. Ah. This is gonna be really good. It's almost gonna look like a chimney sweep. You know, like, okay, so we can play with the chimney sweep. This end that I'm working on right now is going to be the root system. So after doing this, I just take wire. Doesn't really matter how much. And I'm going to twist the wires together. So I've got one large group of wires and a smaller group of wires. The whole idea is to twist the wires tightly. So it looks something like this. Now, if I took this rubber band off, you know what's gonna happen. The whole thing would fall apart. These wires aren't connected yet, so now I go to the next step. Now, because I'm not using a form, I need to know that I have to twist the wire tightly. You gotta twist it tightly. You got to, okay? So next step, I have this. Now I'm going to go into the V, okay? This is the V of the wire. And I'm going to separate this. So now I have 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to get my fingers right in the center there and twist really tight, okay? At least 2 half turns, but if you do 3 half turns, it's really going to lock it into place. And then I am just going to continue with the other half of this wire. I'm splitting it, not really counting the wires, just splitting it, getting my fingers right in there and twisting nice and tight. 1, 2, 3 half turns to lock it into place. So now I have 2 extra V's. Continue on till you get all the way around. This is it for now. Stay tuned.